Affordable window replacement. Texas City is a smart way to improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value for any local property. Homeowners searching for affordable window replacement Texas City, replacement windows Texas City, and new windows for homes. Texas City can find solutions tailored to older coastal homes, modern builds, and everything in between. From window replacement near Mainland City Center, Texas City TX, to affordable windows near 6th Street. North Texas City TX, budget-friendly upgrades are available without sacrificing quality. Whether you need old window replacement Texas City or a full home window replacement Texas City TX project, the right products can reduce drafts, boost insulation, and create a cleaner, updated appearance throughout the house. Energy-efficient windows, Texas City TX, are especially valuable in a Gulf Coast climate where heat, humidity, and storms challenge older glass and frames. Many homeowners choose insulated window installation Texas City, double pane window replacement Texas City, and window upgrade services Texas City TX to lower energy use and improve indoor comfort year-round. If you are comparing energy-efficient windows near FM 1765 Texas City TX, insulated windows near College of the Mainland Texas City area, or double-pane windows near Texas Avenue Texas City TX, options include advanced glass coatings, insulated frames, and tighter seals. These replacement windows Texas City choices help maintain stable interior temperatures while adding practical performance to every room. Window replacement Texas City TX and surrounding neighborhoods is a valuable upgrade for homes throughout the area, from inland streets to bayside communities. Whether you need window replacement Texas City TX for a single damaged opening or a full property renovation, local demand includes custom window replacement Texas City, vinyl window replacement Texas City, storm window replacement Texas City, and impact-resistant windows Texas City. From replacement windows near Bay Street, Texas City TX, to window replacement near Lamarck and Texas City TX, homeowners want durable products built for coastal weather and everyday use. With professional window installers, Texas City TX, the right replacement windows. Texas City project can improve efficiency, protection, and style all at once. Custom window replacement. Texas City gives homeowners more flexibility when replacing outdated, damaged, or unusually sized windows. From custom windows near 14th Street North Texas City to picture window replacement Texas City and bay window replacement Texas City, custom designs can match the home's architecture while improving natural light and ventilation. Many older properties need window frame replacement. Texas City, along with full glass and sash replacement, especially during old window replacement Texas City projects. Whether you are planning house window installation, Texas City TX near Bayou Road, Texas City, or window replacement near Lamarck and Texas City TX, custom-fit products ensure a better seal, smoother operation, and a more polished finish. Professional window installers. Texas City TX make a major difference in how well new units perform over time. Even high-quality replacement windows, Texas City can underperform if sizing, sealing, flashing, or frame preparation is done incorrectly. Homeowners often search for window contractors near downtown Texas City TX, window installers near 8th Avenue North Texas City, and window installation near Palmer Highway Texas City TX when planning a project. Skilled crews can handle home window replacement Texas City TX, broken window replacement Texas City, and full house window installation Texas City TX with precision. Proper installation helps prevent leaks, air loss, sticking sashes, and premature wear, giving homeowners more value from every window replacement investment. Sliding window replacement Texas City is ideal for areas where easy operation and wide horizontal views matter most. Many homeowners also explore casement window replacement Texas City, bay window replacement Texas City, and picture window replacement Texas City to create a mix of ventilation, light, and style throughout the home. If you are searching for sliding windows near Northside Texas City TX, casement windows near Southside Texas City TX, bay windows near Texas City Dike Area TX, or picture windows near Heights Neighborhood Texas City TX, there are designs available for traditional houses and modern remodels alike. These replacement windows Texas City selections can dramatically refresh both interior comfort and exterior appearance. Residential window replacement Texas City often starts with improving everyday livability inside the home. Drafty rooms, hard-to-open windows, exterior noise, fading furniture, and rising utility bills are all signs that replacement windows Texas City may be needed. Homeowners near Loop 197, home window replacement near 9th Avenue North Texas City, and house windows near Bayou Road, Texas City frequently choose double pane window replacement Texas City and energy-efficient windows Texas City TX to address these concerns. New windows for homes. Texas City can brighten interior spaces, reduce outside heat gain, and create a quieter indoor environment. For many families in Texas City TX, better windows translate into comfort that is noticeable immediately.